First, we'll need to translate the equation. We're given that calcium carbonate decomposes to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium is Ca with a +2 charge, and carbonate is a polyatomic ion CO3, and it has an overall -2 charge. When we balance the charges, +2 -2, they cancel. It's going to decompose, so yield calcium oxide. Calcium again has a +2 charge, and oxide has a -2 charge. +2 and -2 cancel again. And then we're given carbon dioxide, which is CO2. We need to make sure it's a balanced equation. We have 1 calcium, 1 calcium, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen, 1 + 2 is 3 oxygen. So now this is a balanced equation. So the question is, how many grams of calcium carbonate would have to be used if I want to end up with 6.99 grams of calcium oxide? So I'm going to stoich from the calcium oxide to the calcium carbonate. When we go to, so we'll start the setup by putting our given, which is 6.99 grams of calcium oxide over 1. We'll bring down grams of calcium oxide. We'll go to the periodic table and add up calcium's mass, 40.08, plus oxygen's, which is 16, and that's going to give us 56.08 grams. That's equal to 1 mole of calcium oxide. Now I can do our mole-to-mole ratio, and there is 1 mole of calcium oxide to 1 mole of calcium carbonate. And then we can bring down moles of calcium carbonate and then go to the periodic table, get the molar mass of calcium carbonate in order to find our answer in grams. When we add up 40.08 plus 12.01 plus 16 times 3, we get 100.09 grams. When I type this into my calculator, I get 6.99 divided by 56.08 times 100.09, and we get an answer of 12.48 grams of calcium carbonate, which is letter A.